What's up, YouTube? We are back in Wesley's room. Just wanted to show you a couple things. We got some paint, finally. Let's see. We've got him a blue color, which might be kind of hard to see. It's the closest blue I could find to a Lego blue, which I did find him this plate. We're going to attach this to his desk when we get it painted and varnished. So we've got 5 colors. I haven't got these 3 paint swatches yet. So we got a blue, a green. That's going to be these 2 walls first. I'm going to get those done first. Start small, but we're going to keep it going. I don't want to mess up Wesley's creation he's got going on here, but that's pretty close blue, if I do say so myself. Now he does only have 4 walls, obviously, so I'm thinking one of these 3 colors I'm going to use as accents, maybe for his door and his closet. Maybe yellow. That might look pretty cool. Maybe do his entire closet door yellow and his bedroom door yellow, and then use these as the other 2 walls. So, but right now we are going to head into the basement because the girls want to do some art. Don't mind my hair. Yeah, so we're going to head into the basement, do some arts and crafts, and show you our art studio that is going to be getting redone as well. So I wanted to also say that today's a really exciting day because I am getting my new iPhone and we will have more storage in my new iPhone. I'm trying to get videos out as soon as I get them recorded, but it's hard because
I'm gonna show you
my storage keeps filling up on my phone, and my apps keep crashing that I'm editing with. So I'm gonna try to find maybe a new editor app, or maybe purchase one. I don't know. I really need a MacBook. But okay, so we're heading into the basement.
Yeah, I got my gems.
Got my little ducklings behind me.
Yeah, I got my little gems that you put them on.
My hair is just crazy. Okay.
I'm gonna make a rainbow and there's some gems there.
Okay. So I'm gonna be cleaning cat litter while my girls are painting, but no, an introduction to our art studio. Okay, let me flip this around.
Welcome to the art studio.
Okay, let's show them our art studio. We gotta do lots and lots of stuff in here. We need a new flooring because this is our really old, yucky basement floor that was in here when we moved. House was built in the 60s, as you can tell. So this is our art studio. We're trying to think of a pretty paint color we want to put on the walls to make it really nice and calm and relaxing in here. We've got quite a few tables for the girls to do their arts and crafts on. I was going to redo all of these, but we figured since it's our art room, they might as well just stay like they are, since they will get messy, like they've already gotten. And then we've got another little cute chair and desk, and this was in Wesley's room, but he outgrew it, so we brought it down here. And we do have Wesley sharks. We're going to hang the magnets on those today.
Yeah.
So we just wanted to give you a little tour of our art room before we do our updates to it. Thinking of something new for the ceiling. We did have this plastic like tarp covering, but I'm gonna do something different.
Yeah, you're gonna do something different. Like
Thinking something in the lines of pallet wood planks.
I'm gonna do a rainbow for Wes.
Oh, Reenie's doing a picture for Wesley while he's at school today. Okay, don't get into the paint quite yet, Willow, okay? Mommy will help. Whoa, Mommy will help. those gotta all be mixed up first.
I got my little gems here. Let me show you my little gems.
Okay. Show me your gems real quick.
Yeah.
Oh, your fingers under them. Ooh, beautiful. We picked these up in the craft aisle yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama will show you. Got some new brushes. I'm gonna show you these with the girls.
Yeah, and we got some.
But these ones are Mommy's. Beautiful brand new brushes.
Yeah, and these are
Oh,
the.
here's our other paint swatches. These are our other paint swatches.
Yeah.
The blue and the green that's up in Wesley's room. These are what's gonna go on the walls. Maybe today.
Plastic jar.
Maybe
No,
tomorrow.
they're gonna poop on the floor.
And then we got some new paint. Gotta have lots and lots of paint.
Yeah.
This is a little 12 pack we found
Give it in my hands.
at Walmart. Nope, these new paints are for Mommy. We're gonna use up all of our old stuff from our beloved
Oh,
late great grandma.
yeah, because
And we got all of our paints from great grandma, and we
Yeah,
love her and miss her so much.
but this.
So probably where you guys will see most of my videos. Because aside from doing the family stuff, I'm gonna be painting some pictures for you guys. I'm kind of doing like tutorials. I really need my ring light because when the light's on my face, I don't have bags under my eyes. This is what I really look like. Not this. I really don't have those bags under my eyes. Those are just shadows. I'll just do all my videos upside down, I guess. So makes me look the best. So, yeah, this is where I'll be most of the time. Doing pictures for you guys. I like that one. This one's just a plain Jane Galaxy fun one. But I want to do more detailed ones for you. So show you what I'm really about. And our basement keeps getting messy because I keep changing my mind of what I want to do down here. But I do have most of my basement stuff organized. Whoops. And I'm slowly bringing down all of the kids' toys down here besides just a few couple little totes in their bedrooms. I'm gonna sort through them. So back here, this is like a little bar area. I did have the cats' litter boxes back here, so I didn't finish painting yet. But this is our water room. So I got their litter boxes in there now. So this is just like a little aisle type thing.
Yeah.
Somebody spilled paint. And I think this is gonna be the girls' play area. So it's just a cute little nook. They can keep their toys back here. Nobody will see them. I'm gonna put some boards up to cover all those shelves, so you won't see those. But I want to put carpet in here so it's nice and cozy for them. And but you'll be watching along the way as we do updates. So much junk when we moved in. I want to be a minimalist so bad, but it takes a village for some reason. Luna Muna. I. Oh. Pretty cat. Pretty cat. Cats love the house. So many nooks and crannies for them to explore. Alright, so that's it for now. Girls want to do a video, so I'm going to let them have the phone. And we will see you soon.